so we got an update on Project Orange Crush. Actually got a lot done. So really pretty close to firing this thing up, and we're gonna walk you through what we've done. Some of it you've already seen. We kind of just put things back together. Finished one of the major hurdles, and I'll show you that. Walk you through what we got going on. So as you can see, it's got one of our new Rally Sport noses. Not new, we've been making these things forever. In fact, this is literally the first part that custom works. This is what launched us with this part. So anyways, that's on the car. Got it all fit up today. That. These are our new center divider bars that they only work with our nose. So if you got a factory one, they don't work, but they're billet. And they've got kind of the same shape as the factory one with a little rubber strip down the middle. So anyways, so we got that done, and as you can see, looks like a pretty complete engine here. So we got the remote mounted coils all done. I'll pop up some pictures in here. That. So anyways, it was kind of a pain in the ass to tuck the wires under the headers and forward. We've done it on lots of cars. It just looks cool because it literally looks like there's no spark plug wires or anything on this thing. So if you haven't been following the other videos, this is, here's one of our closeout panels, our fender braces. We did do these in a kind of a textured satin black. Did the custom air intake tube, and we got a bunch of people saying, hey, can you make those as a production part? Depending on what mount you use and where the engine placement is and what you got going on, it'd be damn near impossible to make one that fit everybody's stuff. That's a 90, that's a 45 or 37 or whatever the hell they come in, I don't know. And we cut them to length, weld them together. There's an air intake temperature in there somewhere. So yeah, so this thing's cool. It's coming along, and we got a lot of the interior stuff back together, and kind of walk you through that. Got the back seats back in the car, driver seats in the car, and we got the console and all the shifter and everything all put together for the new TKX 5-speed. One of the cool things that we sell are these quick release wheels and these Sparco wheels, steering wheels, and the quick release. It's really cool. One, it's a nice anti-theft device, as well as when you're working on the car, it's kind of nice to be able to take the wheel off. So anyways, here's where we're at. As far as firing this thing up, we'll put water in it, and one of the things that we do, kind of a quick tip here while we're on quick tips in all of our videos, kind of giving you some information here, which is probably why you guys are watching. So, but anyways, when we put water in these LS motors, sometimes it's really tough to burp the water out of the cooling system. So I'm gonna say with 85% success rate first time, we usually just put the water, the coolant, through the upper hose, take it off the radiator, hold it up, and then pour the water in it and feed it back through the engine, and we have a really good success rate that way. Sometimes it takes 2 times to do it. It's a brand new motor. We're probably just gonna fire it up on water, make sure there's no leaks or any problems, or we need to take anything back apart. And sometimes it's just a lot easier if it's not antifreeze that's leaking or the problem, or we have to take something apart. So if it's just got water in it, no harm, no foul. So anyways, that's where we're at, and car's coming along pretty good, and I'm really hoping to get the car fired up this week. So anyways, thanks for watching. It's hot here. If I sound a little tired, I am, because it's late. And thanks for watching, and like our videos if you like them, and keep watching if you do. So anyways, thanks a lot.